Just so beautiful to have 5 straight days of just like deep study and deep prayer and just with the Lord the whole time. And no laundry to do.
Yeah.
Christopher West was my teacher, so that was really cool. This was my second time to go to Black Rock Retreat Center in Quarryville, Pennsylvania. But it's such an amazing time. I mean, you have the Blessed Sacrament is in the classroom the entire time, so you're just like sunbathing the entire time with the Lord. They have daily mass and reconciliation and adoration, and then just like connecting with all the people is just, you feel like they're all your best friend.
Yeah.
It's like you've known each other forever. And you feel like you're kind of getting a taste of like heaven. Honestly, we talk about that a lot when we're there. Like we're sitting around at meals chatting and we're like, yeah, this is the communion of saints. You know?